Hey guys, welcome back to Railroads Online and the Ramblin' Railroad. In this episode, we're just going to be running some trains. I'd like to start doing a little more of that. We've been doing a lot of building lately, and I need to actually start making some money so we could buy a new locomotive. Getting kind of tired of this one. It's good, but I want to do some bigger trains. Maybe about double the size of what we're currently doing. Alright, so we have linked now the iron ore mine, smelter, sawmill, logging camp to the freight depot. So by my count, that is 5 industries that we need to start, supplying. So it all starts at the logging camp. We need to go get logs, take them to the sawmill, turn those into planks and lumber and whatnot. Take those to the iron ore mine, get iron ore, take that to the smelter. It makes metal products. I forget which, like rail and something else. Then we can sell those at the freight depot and get some money. We can do it with what we currently have, except for the cars. Let's see, the money I have, $2,500. The cars we need for the iron ore are... Is these ones? Yeah, iron ore. And they're 850 a piece. So we can buy a couple of those. But I'd really like to buy a new locomotive. And I'm thinking, everybody likes this one, the Climax. I don't know. This one's a really good one too. It's kind of a toss-up. I look at the tractive effort, and this one has more tractive effort. So maybe this one's better. I do know it's got a bug with the wheel slip. Maybe that got fixed. I'm not sure. This one's really cool. It's kind of iconic. It's kind of iconic on how it looks. The tractive effort is okay. It goes a little bit faster and whatnot, but this one apparently is just a pile of junk. I kind of like the way it looks. Again, it's that classic look. This one is a pile of crap. So, in game, in real life, it's actually a pretty decent, style of engine, and locomotive. These big wheels are meant for speed, not torque. So the tractive effort is actually crap. And in game, that's heavily modeled. Like, this doesn't pull very well at all. I guess that's it. So I don't know what we're gonna go with. Probably this one. Maybe this one. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should we get the Mogul or the Class 70? Or the Heisler? I mean, it's got tractive effort out the wazoo, but it's got those bugs I was talking about. And it's torquey. It's got a lot of torque. But it's slow. It's very slow. So, anyway, let me know what you guys think. I'm hooking up to the log train here because we need to start by hauling logs to the sawmill. And if you don't want to see all of this, I'll put chapters in here so you can feel free to skip around to get to the train driving portions, or whatever you want to see done. I turn all the brakes on when I park a train. I thought it was turning all these off, but apparently I missed a couple. Okay, yeah, and then we're sliding, we're moving forward, brake off, give her some gas. Alright, here we go. I do like the caboose. I think that's really super cool. And I can tell easily where the back of my train is. And if that caboose is gone, that means there's a break in my train somewhere. Which is handy at a glance to see if there's anything wrong. Eventually I have all my trains, actually have those. just because I think they're super cool. One-man switching team. Send the train on by itself and stand here and wait for the back of the train to go by, and then run up to the engine and stop it. Rambling Railroad. While we're waiting for this, you might notice that my name in the upper right-hand corner there is Evil One. That's my Steam name. It's back from when I was in the military. It's a riff on my call sign from when I was in the military. It's been my gamer tag since about 2005. You might be wondering why we call it the Ramblin' Railroad on this YouTube channel, or Ramblin' Road. Honestly, I don't know. It just kind of came to me, and I liked it. So, you know, it's the Ramblin' Railroad, and it's the first game we're playing on this YouTube channel. So I figured, you know, why not? It's the Ramblin' Railroad and on the Ramblin' Road YouTube channel. So we got plenty of firewood. How's this looking? That's cold. Trying to be a little bit more disciplined with how much firewood I'm actually throwing in there at any given time. So yeah, we'll just be basically in this view. We're going to run a bunch of logs up to the sawmill and get some lumber and planks made. Or beams and planks, rather. And we'll be running those out to the iron ore mine to make iron ore. We'll get a new locomotive, hopefully before then, with a whole bunch more of those stick flat cars over there. And that way that we could, you know, make that trip worth it. Run a bigger train up there to get a bunch more materials up there at once. So this guy's great for doing these smaller trains, but climbing those steep hills with a long train just isn't realistic and isn't going to cut the mustard for me. So I still need to turn around this firewood depot. There's a lot I need to do yet, but I just want to run some trains. And you can go crazy and hate this game just by the sheer amount of building that you could do. For me, it's fun doing all the building stuff, but it's monotonous pretty quick, and I need to, you know, actually run some trains, make some money, and move on. You know, we need to get the iron ore to the smelter to start making products there. So let's get that done. That caboose is just so cool. I really like that caboose. If I haven't said it enough. I'm very happy they added something like that to the game. Make sure that that's the right way? Yeah, okay. Gosh. Mess with my brain for a second. Alright, let's get going. Oop. So tell me what you guys think of this YouTube channel so far. Anything that you like or don't like. You know, put it in the comments below. I read all the comments. I may not respond to them all, but I certainly do read them all. I know that one guy was commenting, you know, early on. Found my first channel or first video really quick, and yeah, that's cool and all. So I see the views coming in. So thank you very much for watching and for the subscribers that I have so far. I'd like to grow this channel. It's kind of fun. You know, I'm playing these games anyway, so I might as well film it and talk about what I'm doing, especially in games that are like this. That, you know, there's a little bit of knowledge base too. So, and I think we need to slow down here. Pretty sure this switch is backwards, or it needs to be switched. I'm gonna give it just a little bit of break. Slow it down because I can't outrun it. There we go. Now I'm outrunning it. And I'm trying also to remember to keep my vision up. My monitor is actually kind of low on my computer here. So it, you know, to have the, where I'm running to is like, that's eye level for me. So, but I realize when I go back and watch the videos, like on my phone or something, that the, I wish I would pan up more. So I'll try to remember that. I just need to raise my monitor up, you know, a few inches, and I think that whole issue would probably go away. Well, that's either stopped or going. I gotta switch this switch too. One less thing to worry about. Yeah, it stopped. 17% brake, unloaded train on flat ground. It just brings itself, without any regulator, just brought itself right to a stop. It is what it is. You're supposed to start off kind of slow, take the slack out of the train, and then you can start speeding up. But these little engines, apparently you can just hammer them and it doesn't break the links. I don't know why I did that. Just habit, I guess. I don't know. Get into the locomotive, feed of firewood. Hey, there I go again. My vision. Maybe I'll work on that tomorrow. Clear off some of the stuff on my desk here and raise up my monitor so I'm not staring at the ground all the time. Thinking about jumping off right there and switching that switch so we come back and I have to jump off again, but I'll just slow down again and run ahead and switch it coming down. It's been a while since I've been to the logging camp. Feels like I've just been building track the last, I don't know, probably week. Making that run, both runs out to the iron ore mine. The marathon. I'm not happy with that track either. You know, it's, you hear me harp on it all the time that it's not realistic, and then, but that's not what I don't really like about it. I need to smooth out a lot of it. I like nice straight track, and that's not. So, I mean, I get it. I'm trying to follow the curvatures, you know, of the landscape, but there's some jankiness in there I could probably get rid of. Let's slow down a little bit here. We're coming in to the right side. That's probably way too much slowing down. We're still climbing that hill. Need to get into this. Uh-oh. I don't want to stop. In this view, I can see a little easier to line up the cars with the cranes. Alright, start loading. I wish these are more evenly spaced for the cars that they go on. But it is what it is. Makes it a little bit more challenging. I know, like, if you park the crane in between, you can sometimes load 2 cars at once. I think I actually got that to work like once, and I ended up like losing a lot of logs. Not that they cost anything at this point, but it's just frustrating because it's time. Sitting here clicking these cranes. So you can see like the weight, you know, pushing down on the car. It's kind of cool. Little details like that, it makes me like this game. Oh, and there was something about the Caboose, which we'll go talk about here in a second, that I forgot to show when I was showing this thing off. It's got a lantern up here. You can change the color of the lantern. Green, red, or white. So we'll leave it on a. Let's put it on. Oh, where am I at here? Got lost. Let's put it on a red. There we go. Red usually indicates the end of the train. So. I'm gonna get the train moving. It's gonna go around this loop, and I gotta go flip that switch. I'm just gonna go break off. We're just gonna give it like 15% rig. That's probably more than enough. Run down here and flip this switch. We'll be heading back to the sawmill. This is fun. But I should probably be driving the train. We can probably speed up a little bit. I love the horn. I don't think we need to worry about cordwood for a while. The only thing that's using cordwood right now is the smelter, and it's pretty much full. We got a train sitting there ready to offload. So yeah, we're good on cordwood for a while. Give it some break. How fast are we going? Can I outrun it? No. We'll try. Oh. I was outrunning it. Wanted to look back and... It should be slowing down. It doesn't have any regulator on and no brakes, so... I don't want to look back though. I forgot to save. We're going to do that real quick. I will do it when we get to the sawmill here. Plenty of time. Let's go. Okay, but I'm not sure about the switches at the sawmill. So many switches. This one's good. We switched it. This one it could be either way, it doesn't matter, but that one does matter. Let's see, that one is the right way. That next one is not. That's set to go to the smelter. Pull up here and offload our logs. Save. Try to save as often as you can. Alright. So we will get paid for this. We have $2,504. I don't remember how much it is per log. It's not very much. Waiting for that little message in the upper left-hand corner. There it is. Of course, some of these didn't unload. There we go. Move up a little bit. I'll offload the last two cars. Turn and burn another load. Why can't they load them that fast? Alright, let's see how much that made us. $2,864. And right now I don't want to do math, so that's how much we made. I'm going to turn and burn and fill this thing up. I want 100 logs in here, and all that filled up. And then we'll start. Hopefully by then we'll have enough money for a new locomotive and some coal cars, or iron ore cars, and we'll make some bigger trains hauling these products to the iron ore mine using the new locomotive, whichever it is, one we get. So, but for now, thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye for now.